Owl here, and I just have to tell everyone about Oak Creek Library's new and improved book lists. Book lists are such a quick and easy tool to find all the books I would ever want on a specific topic. This is such a great way for kids and grown-ups alike to find multiple books that share a common theme. I, for one, love dinosaur books, and I know you do too. Let's see if Oak Creek Library has a book list for dinosaur books. Here we go! First, I'm going to go to everyone's favorite website, oakcreeklibrary.org. At the top, I'm going to hover my cursor over Books, Movies, and More and look under Recommendations. Here I will find children's book lists, teen book lists, and adult book lists. Since I'm looking for kids' books about dinosaurs, I'm going to click on Children's Book Lists. This will take me to the entire page of book lists for me to browse. The really cool thing is once I click on a topic or theme, like dinosaurs for example, I'll be taken directly to a page in the County Cat catalog that shows all of the books in that list. This is perfect for a lot of reasons. First, I can see all the covers of the books so I can see if I've read any of them before. And trust me, I have read a lot of dinosaur books. And secondly, I can also check to see if the book is on the shelf at the Oak Creek Library, so I can grab it when I head into the library later today, or I can click the request button and request a copy to pick up at a different time. I know I'll be using these book lists a lot this year, and I bet you are too. Oh, and everyone can enjoy these book lists too. Like I mentioned before, there are book lists for teen topics as well as adult topics, so all your friends and family can find what they're looking for too. Thanks to the staff at the Oak Creek Library for making it so easy to find books I know I'll love with their new and improved book lists.